Diane. Hey, as I sit here in the tractor, we are finishing up on our last field of harvest, and it's like 25 degrees out today with 20 to 30 mile an hour winds. A good day to be in the tractor. So you can see my husband combining there. Can't wait till we finish harvest 2018. Crops weren't as good this year. We had that bad storm that came through in the spring, so a lot of our corn had green snap. So it wasn't as good as we see, but we are definitely happy to have some harvest. So I just wanted to share that with you. That's what I'm doing today. We got our son, he and our Steve's dad, they both haul for us. So once I get my auger wagon full, then I go unload it in one of the big grain trucks, and that's how it is. It's going really good. There's 4 of us working today, and it's probably going to take us a couple days to get this field done. But it's really going to be wonderful when we get done, so we can start concentrate on something else. So I just wanted to share that with you. Thanks so much for watching. I am going to be bringing more videos, hopefully on some indoor gardening, and just so kind of be looking for that. Subscribe to my channel and visit my garden blog at picketfencegreenhouse.info. I have a lot of information on there, and I look forward to seeing what everybody's up to. Hopefully can get more involved on YouTube very soon. And you guys have a great and blessed season, and Thanksgiving's coming soon, and that is another thing to be thankful for. So take care, and we'll see you soon.